Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami.
I was gonna get a pretzel.
Shopping. Tapos na. Yan, last shopping. Yan si My Love, nag-shopping din.
Honey,
Ah,
I was gonna get a pretzel. They're $5.
oh, so expensive, don't.
I'm like, it don't cost 20 cents to make a pretzel. There's no way I'll give you $5.
See? Ayan, shopping. Last shopping.
I was gonna get a Cinnabon.
Yes.
$6.
Oh my
Those things
goodness.
don't even cost 50 cents to make. There's
Yeah.
no way.
Shopping, Old Navy. Ayan, kay My Love lahat po dito. Marami ang kay My Love dito. Let's go, My Love. Oh, wow.
I can't believe they get $6 for those things.
I know.
That's ridiculous.
Ayan. Shopping tayo mga guys.
Good evening, shoppers. It is 5:45 p.m. and the phone mall will be closing in 15 minutes.
Oh, closing 15 minutes. Yan guys. So dito guys, Kohl's na, Kohl's. Dito kami kanina ni Honey. Bago kami pumunta sa bago kami pumunta sa Kuan. Bago kami pumunta. Pumunta sa
I hope people don't practice it what they want.
bago kami pumunta sa Old Navy, dito muna kami sa Kohl's. Ito yung Kohl's, mga kapiskop, Kohl's. Yan si My Love. Kohl's. Yan. My Love, I have something good for you, My Love.
Okay.
I think it's all about greeny. Greeny, My Love.
Gotta get what our
Ayan.
Not much else, but you know, like a
Maraming mga nindot dito guys. Kohl's. Pauwi na ang mga tao kasi closing na. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh, bless.
car on the other side here.
This side? Yeah. This side? Kabina guys. Lumabas na kami. Ayan ang Kohl's, oh. Kohl's. Doon sa Kohl's. Kabina. Nakabina na may shopping.
Do we have any lasagna left?
So much. I just ate whatever you give me last night because maybe
I
I...
need salad though.
Yeah. You want me to chop the lettuce?
Okay.
Okay, then I will. Uwian na guys, galing shopping. Nagabinaan na kami oh. Isang shopping ning honey. Thank you for watching. Dito na tayo sa ating car. Car. Yeah. Car na tayo. Ayan. Bye-bye na.